someone comes and stays on our property, we want them to feel like they are welcomed. We want them to feel like they're at home. You know, it's like we want there to be a weight lifted from their shoulders when they step through the door. You're greeted with a glass of champagne.
Cheers.
You know, we've got a wine and cheese hour that's all complimentary. And really, we just have the spaces that we designed in the front are very much, they're supposed to be welcoming, they're supposed to be community-driven places, a place where you can sit down, have a conversation with somebody, with either the person you're traveling with or with another guest of the hotel.
You couldn't feel more welcome here at the Heights House Hotel, and the interior design elements, from the color to texture to decor, are all beautifully incorporated to create a sense of luxurious comfort while also honoring the historical architecture.
The Heights House Hotel is a historic house that was built in 1858 that has now been restored lovingly into a 9-room boutique hotel and event venue.
Oh man, I can't remember when we first laid eyes on it, probably 15 years ago now. And when we saw it, it was a beautiful building. I mean, the architecture stands out, it's very unique for the area, but it needed some love. But even when we walked through it for the very first time, we thought it was just, it's so amazing. It's so beautiful in here, and you know, the architecture, they don't build houses quite like this anymore, and we liked the idea of the elevation. This house sits on one of the highest locations in Raleigh, so we like that kind of heights feeling, right? And it's the Boylan Heights neighborhood, so we took from that and wanted to embrace, and we took that and made that into our name.
We wanted to keep all the original architectural pieces that we could, or restore them. The molding, the floors, the doors, the fireplaces, things like that, but we didn't want it to feel dated. So keeping those intact and then bringing in modern elements, just really trying to make that mesh meet, and it hopefully worked. We definitely wanted to work with as many local businesses as we could and individuals. We worked on the design. I did it with Brian Costello. Some of the furniture in here is made by Tactile Workshop. So we have the parlor bar that they made, our reception desk, and the buffet in the dining room. The front 4 common spaces were originally used as the dining room, which we're sitting in now, the library, the parlor, and the drawing room, which is just a main sitting room. And we're using them all exactly as they were intended originally. They're great spaces for events, which we do too, small events to weddings, and we're sitting where our guests have breakfast every day and get coffee.
Keeping it local, coffee by Durham-based Counterculture is available to every guest. With this automated server, you can customize for lattes, espresso, and other coffee drinks. Your overnight stay includes an elevated continental breakfast featuring organic artisan breads and pastries from the neighborhood's bolted bread, fresh local fruits, and amazing quiches stuffed with goodness by a place at the table in Raleigh. This is the Common Space experience, but the guest rooms are anything but common.
You will be staying in the honeymoon suites. Very lavish.
Now, I'm not on my honeymoon, but sometimes you just have to treat yourself. I'm gonna show you around. The first thing I noticed was just how light and airy it feels in here, thanks to all of the natural light that's streaming through these windows and also the high ceilings. Come this way. A separate water closet for privacy and a perfect blend of the old and the new. Beautiful marble sinks and brass fixtures. I love it. And behind this pocket door, a whole nother room. A sitting area, lots of space, gorgeous chandelier, and just check out this tub. A claw-footed tub, again, with the gorgeous brass fixtures, and there's even a rain shower head. And I love that there are full-sized amenities. These are brought in from Italy because this is an Italianate mansion, and this smells heavenly, like rose and bergamot. Oh God, it's gorgeous. There's no question the Heights House Hotel offers an impeccable stay for overnight guests. It's also within perfect proximity to lots of Raleigh attractions and restaurants.
Downtown Raleigh has museums, shopping, wonderful restaurants. We're big foodies, so we like to suggest the restaurants to eat dinner when you stay here.
For me, they suggested a local pub that was just a short stroll across the Boylan Bridge. Y Hill Kitchen and Brewing, the perfect casual spot to meet with friends for craft beer and cocktails. I invited my buddy Heather Burgess of My Home NC to nosh with me.
Cheers! Thanks for joining us.
Everything on the menu here is made from scratch, bright, full of flavor, and just delicious all around. Add in outdoor seating with spectacular views of the city, and Y Hill really captures the life and diversity of Raleigh. Fits right in with a stay at Heights House Hotel, a relaxing stay surrounded by tasteful elegance crafted from a relic of history in the heart of the capital city. The Heights House Hotel is at 308 South Boylan Avenue in Raleigh. To book your room or event, give them a call at 919-594-1881 or visit them online at heightshousenc.com.